Good morning, class. In previous lecture, first from chapter 3, we had discussed about mean and mode. So in this lecture, in lecture 2, we will discuss about the next important topic, that is median. So what it says, median is the middlemost observation of the data arranged in either ascending form or descending form. Okay? Suppose a data is given, so there would be the two case. When the number of observation is in the odd number, or when the number of observation n is even number. So in odd number, we would apply the formula for finding the median, that would be n plus 1 by 2th observation. So suppose this would be more clear by taking an example. Find the median of following data. So their data is given. Here, first of all, we would like to arrange this data in ascending order. So here what we say here number of observation is 5, which is odd. So for finding the median of the given data, that would be n plus 1 by 2th observation. So by applying those formula, we would find out the median of 10. Next, when number of observation n is even number, so median would be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation, और दोनों को जोड़ के by 2 यानी आधा कर देंगे, वो हो जाएगा median. So one question is there, find the median of the following data. Their data is given to us, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, where n, that is total number of data is even. So in case of even, we would apply the formula n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation by 2. So 8 by 2th plus 8 by 2 plus 1th observation, yani 4th plus 5th observation by 2. So 4th observation is 9 1 2 3 4 16, and the 5th observation is 17. So 16 plus 17 by 2, so this would be 16 and half. So now there is the last important topic from this chapter, that is probability. Probability means nothing but possibility. It is the measure of chance of a particular event. It is given by the formula number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes. Okay? In case of dice, when one dice is thrown, the total probability would be either it may come 1 or it may come 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. When two dice are thrown, the total probability would be 1 1 1 2 3 1 3 and so on. So the total probability would be 36. Now in case of coin, when one coin is tossed, the total number of possible probability would be either it may come head or it may come tail. So the total probability would be 2. When two coins are tossed, the total probability would be head 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 tail tail head tail tail. So the total probability would be 4. Now this will more clear about taking an example. A fair dice is rolled, find the probability of getting a prime number. So the total probability of when a dice is thrown would be 1 2 3 4 5 or 6. So in these all the three possible outcomes, total probability, the prime number would be 2 3 and 5. So by applying the formula for finding the probability of any events, here events is getting a prime number. So this would be number of favorable outcomes by total number of probability. So this would be 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Here one concept says probability of any events would be less than 1 or equals to 1 or greater than 0 or equals to 0. When probability of any events is equals to 1, so this will be sure event. Sure event. First, the second one is when probability of any event is 0, that is, in this case there would be no any probability, not sure. वो श्योर नहीं है. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, sorry, next question is given to you for homework. Find the mean and median of first 5 numbers, I mean natural number. So I had discussed this in previous lecture to find how to find out the mean and median of the given data. So hope you will solve this question. Next question is, one bag contains 5 white and 9 red ball. One ball is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability of getting a white ball or red ball. So here the total number of balls including white and red balls would be the 14, 5 plus 9. So out of this 14 box, when one white ball is taken out, so the probability of getting a white ball would be 5 white है टोटल, तो इसी 5 में से कोई आएगा. टोटल तो 14 है, तो 5/14. सिमिलरली रेड बॉल के लिए 9/14. तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को समझ जाने के बाद इसी पे बेस्ट एक क्वेश्चन में दिया हूँ. और डाइस इज थ्रोन वंस, एक बार फेंका गया. फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ नंबर 5, अ नंबर ग्रेटर देन 5, एन ऑड नंबर दो बार हो गया है, कोई नहीं, एन इवन नंबर, एन नंबर ग्रेटर देन 6. So I hope you may easily find out. Thank you. Have a nice day.